What's up, BB Warriors? Today we're playing River City Airsoft, and the game mode is capture the flag. I just had to go on the right side of the town to hit the enemy team from the side. Put her down. Put her down. Really, dude? Hey. Put her down. I peek my head out for just a little bit too long and I end up getting taken out from across the field. I respawn and get back in the game. I take a similar approach as before because I figure that the enemy is too focused on getting to the flag and not watching their side. At that distance, I have to give them the benefit of the doubt, seeing as that is a pretty far shot and some of my BBs weren't firing correctly as you were able to see.
Even far left! Behind 14!
Why don't we go around the town and hit them from behind?
I'm gonna hit the van and then I'm gonna push it on.
Yeah.
Right,
exactly.
Unfortunately, the game ends before we're able to get our flank off. The next game mode is Team Deathmatch. I decided to go around the enemy forces through the woods to be able to hit them from behind.
Good shot.
Well, that hilariously didn't work, so there's only one thing to do. Try it again. And that is going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, you can always subscribe for more airsofting content every Tuesday and Friday. Make sure to follow me on social media for updates and news about the channel. This has been the BB Warrior, and I'll see you guys next time.